This video will go over the features and functions of the Healthcare BackTpack from Hopkins Medical Products. Adjust the shoulder straps so that the tops of the bags are near your elbows. The bag should hang straight and loose at your sides. Adjust desired hip width using the adjuster at the back of the hip loading belt. Do this by tipping the adjuster to 90 degrees from webbing and slide the hip loading belt to the desired position. Load the bags evenly with flat items similar to the weight you are accustomed to carrying. Put it on like a vest with embroidered label on the outside of the back panel. If heavily loaded, place the bag on a chair or bench and sit down within it to put it on, one shoulder at a time. Make sure the straps are not twisted. Stand as tall as possible, heart high, head high, making the body like a tall T with your shoulders relaxed. Adjust and fasten the sternal strap upper to mid-chest. Stand and adjust the shoulder straps so that they are even with the tops of the bags near your elbows, so you can get into them easily. If the contents are bulky, you can use the bags as armrests, hands comfortably gripping the shoulder straps. Fasten the lap strap loosely. This is not the hip loading belt. The lap strap is for load transfer onto your thighs when sitting in an armless chair or when squatting to pick something else up. If you wish to use the hip loading belt, adjust it for your size at its front buckle. This photo shows the two different straps. The hip loading belt is the higher belt that fastens around your waist. The lower, wider lap strap is only at the front of the two bags and is used to transfer the load to your thighs when you sit down. Sit in an armless chair with the bags on either side of the chair, lap strap loosely fastened so that the bags hang to the sides for access. While sitting tall and with the shoulder straps on, make sure all of the weight has transferred onto the lap strap across your lap. If you still feel weight on your shoulders while sitting tall, lengthen the shoulder straps until you feel all of the weight onto your lap without a lot of slack in the shoulder straps. This is the correct fit. Next, unbuckle the lap strap and see why it's such an important feature for sitting in an armless chair. Fasten the lap strap again and remove the shoulder straps to experience the freedom and convenience of being able to access contents while sitting and without spinal loading. This unloading system while sitting is an extremely important health feature of the BackTpack. Be sure to put the shoulder straps back on again before standing up. If you have any pain with any loading, spinal deformity, recent injury or surgery, or are planning to carry a heavy load for a long distance, we recommend using the hip loading belt. Adjust the front buckle to fit the belt to your waist or when you are most comfortable. Then fasten the hip loading belt to take some or all of the weight from your shoulders and spine. The hip loading belt should not be used with prolonged sitting due to abdominal compression. Use the lap strap when sitting. The hip loading belt may be stowed away when not in use. The Healthcare BackTpack from Hopkins Medical Products.